Supercharger network, still the gold standard. You can hit 80% in about 30 minutes. Plus, you get all the tech goodies: autopilot, full self-driving if you trust it, big touchscreen, over-the-air updates. Tesla's still setting the bar here. Fast, efficient, and tech-filled. Now let's talk about the Volkswagen ID.4. If you want something practical but don't want to give up comfort or tech, this compact SUV is worth a look. 201 horsepower, up to 275 miles of range, and a 0 to 60 time of 7.5 seconds. Not a rocket, but definitely quick enough for daily driving. Inside you've got space, quality materials, intuitive infotainment, and it starts around 37 grand. The ID.4 is honestly great for families or anyone who needs a versatile city car. Moving on to the Ford Mustang Mach-E. This is a muscle car that's gone electric, with 426 to 480 horsepower, 300 to 330 miles of range, and the GT model does 0 to 60 in under 4 seconds. Fast charging will get you to 80% in about 45 minutes, and the interior is both premium and tech-focused. Plus, it's got tons of cargo space. If you want sporty and practical, the Mach-E is legit. Next is the Nissan Ariya. I think this one's pretty futuristic looking, and the specs aren't bad either. Power ranges from 238 to 389 horsepower, range is up to 300 miles, and 0 to 60 happens in 5.1 seconds. It's packed with advanced driver assist, a big touchscreen, wireless charging, and starts at 40 grand.